such a good idea. So this is sustainability, recycling old bottles to make beautiful jewelry.
And
that's the result. It looks like clay that is glass.
Oh, it looks like that.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I got one from the hold on.
That's made like this. I thought it was looked like a noodle. So this is by powder.
Yes. Same glass that we use powder and it looks opaque.
This is like my dress. It's
It's
dead
trying to
now.
disturb you. And the fourth one also we call it glazed bead or painted bead. And that one can be opaque. We make the bead first. After that,
So I think this is where they polish the beads. They rub it. I don't want to touch it because they're using it for a demonstration, but they get there's water in this bucket and they pour some of the water and then rub it. And because the sun here, it kind of polishes the individual beads. So yeah, Akos Creative Funds, we are here in Kobo Odumasi in CD Beads, and behind us we have a closer look shortly, but these are the rescued glass that they crush and melt in the oven, and I'll show you that in a few seconds. But this seems to be one of the final stages of the bead making process. So this is all handwork, and they keep working until the texture becomes smooth. So you can have a look. And it already comes with the holes, about 10-12 millimeter holes, and that's what you would thread through to make the bracelets and the jewelry.
most of them no. Some of them are from the clay.
every bottle is needed here.
Everybody, yeah, knows every bottle. That's right, every bottle.
Provided it's breakable.
So these are the discarded bottles. I think the young men or the youth go around and pick every discarded bottle. I can see coconut flavor, alcoholic and non-alcoholic bottles. So this is where they all come. And this is before they are washed. So from this stage, they will wash them. I think if all the bottles littering the streets can end up here, it's such a good idea. So this is sustainability, recycling old bottles to make beautiful jewelry.
Okay.
I think right now they are having a workshop. Mr. Sidney is taking some visitors through some tutorials or workshops. So I will take you a quick look around the place whilst they go ahead with their tutorial.
Your great-grandchildren also will come and use it. Any other questions? Okay. Let me go to number 5. And the last one, special for chiefs and the queen mothers, for king and queen. And the name of that bead is called Bodong bead. B-O